sight. Nah, man. My name's Plug One, I'm here to do the job that you respect of me. Baptized to rap and open eyes daily to know how. Supervision, the incision